Today we will be talking about Levan Saginashvili's crazy seated curl, which may be the most anyone has ever lifted. Then we will discuss the matches that Neil Pickup has announced for his Arm Wars Iron House event in January next year. And along with that, few channels that I would request you to subscribe to. Welcome Arm Wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Chan Shaw is leaving Dubai on Wednesday morning. It was a good sweet little stay. And the mighty Levan is also leaving on this Saturday. People have already started commenting how much they are going to miss Levan, just like the last time. Now in Larry's latest video, we saw Levan doing some seated curls. 110 kilos and 130 kilos were way too easy for him. So Levan decided to go for 140 kilos but failed twice. After that, he was able to curl 135 kilos for about 1.5 reps. And this is a kind of exercise where there isn't much difference between 1 rep max and 2 rep max. Maybe sometimes the second rep is even easier than the first one, from what I have seen personally. Now I know this is a seated curl. It is no official competition lift or anything. But I would like to ask you guys, have you ever seen or heard anyone doing more than 135 kilos in a seated curl? I haven't personally, and I tried to find it but I can't. And I'm not claiming that this is a world record, but this can be. I'm asking you guys. Has Leroy Walker or Denis Siplenkov ever done more than that before? A few months ago, if you remember, Denis Siplenkov was kind of robbed of his strict curl record by Leroy Walker because of the circumstances, the conditions, the grip and the platform to support your back were different. But many people still believe that Denis is still the world record holder. It would be amazing to know if arm wrestlers held both seated and strict curl records. Now coming to Arm Wars Iron House in January. First match, Tom Holland vs Mindaugas Terracaitis. Unfinished business. In the October event, Mindaugas was scheduled to arm wrestle Tom Holland, but unfortunately he got tested positive for COVID. Now they will face once again left and right handed. Both Mindaugas and Tom Holland are on YouTube. Channel links will be in the description. Adrian O'Dwyer, the Olympic high jumper, versus Andres Sedis, who recently won gold at European Arm Wrestling Championship in 110 kg left-handed division. Interesting thing is that a couple of days ago, 80 kg Tom Holland defeated Adrian in a hook battle. Now we don't know the background details for this match, but Neil Pickup knows them well. He knows these guys well. And he said that Tom Holland should have no business beating Adrian. So if Adrian comes in this shape against Andres, I'm afraid it won't be much of a match. Again, Andres Sedis is on YouTube. Please subscribe if you want. Next match, Jordan Davis from Australia versus Bogdan Stoica, who recently defeated Froder 4-3 right-handed. And Uncle John versus Patrick Berg. This is the first time I heard about Patrick Berg, and this is the only video I could find of him. Neil Pickup has said that he's also trying to get Alex Cordecha versus Monster Michael Todd happen on the September 23rd to 25th event. So that would be interesting to see because Alex has had some problems trying to finish opponents in the past. Maybe he has solved it and maybe he will be on another level in a year from now by the time he faces Monster Michael Todd next year. So give me your thoughts and predictions about this match. Neil Pickup has started uploading high quality Arm Wars edits on his new Arm Wars channel. So please subscribe to that channel as well. I will leave you with a small clip from that event.
The countdown has begun to the launch of the world's premier super match arm wrestling format. Arm Wars Super Series is back.
That's the exciting thing, is it's back. And it's the best promotion so far, period.
Arm Wars is the choice by far.
For me, Arm Wars is the ultimate bloodbath on an arm wrestling table.
That's why people love Arm Wars.
Go up there and do a little more than just arm wrestle, right?
Look at the crowd, smile, and I go, fuck this guy.
But we've gone one better. We've got to take the Arm Wars Super Series behind closed doors, and that means that it's more difficult for you guys to see some of these events up close and personal. Oh no, Neil, we want to see it go down live. Well, what about if you had the chance to do just that? We're going to have a limited number of people in the room when these things take place. And we're going to give you, the fans of Arm Wars, the opportunity to be one of those people with a backstage pass and an opportunity to meet all your Arm Wars favourites. Every time you watch an Arm Wars video, be sure to comment, be sure to like, and we will pick one of you to get some great rewards from the channel. If you're looking for the home of professional arm wrestling, you found us. Daddy's home.